This is also DAF 1160. As seen here, 1160. This is the model of the engine. The exhaust of the engine. That's how long the exhaust is. The manifold of the exhaust. The valve cover. The valve cover of the engine. The coolant. The engine coolant. And this is the water feeding. Water feeding of the engine. So the water is coming to the engine to cool down the top cylinder. This is the top cylinder here. That is the top cylinder of the engine. And this is the water feed returning. This is a pipe that returns the water back from the engine. We can call it expel the water from the engine. This is a coil. It's also a big engine that runs an high-speed heavy-duty engine, 250 kV. This is a pump. Pump here. These are the pressure pipes. These are the pressure pipes. Pressure pipes. The diesel filter. These are the nozzle here. The nozzle are down here. You can see where my hand is touching. There is the nozzle. There is a water gallery. Call this water gallery. The long pipe here, water gallery that returns water to the water returning and expel from the engine. As I recently shows you. This is the inlet manifold. The inlet manifold. This is the inlet manifold. This is the charging alternator. The fan belt. The fan belt. The pulley. This pulley. The water pump. Call this oil gauge. They use to indicate whether the oil is gauge. Oil filter. This is the oil filter. This is the priming pump. Priming pump of the engine. Priming pump. The diesel feeding hose. This is the diesel feeding hose from the diesel tank here. Diesel feeding hose of the diesel tank here. This is the diesel returning hose. Here. Diesel returning hose to the diesel tank here. There is a waste pipe where the air is being expelled from the engine. The heat is expelled from the engine. This is the top here. Top. It has a long top from this position down to this position. That's the top of the engine. These are the top gasket here. The same length with the top.